How to share a post as a story just like this. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So to do this it's really simple and let's just show you how to do it. First you have to go on post that you want to share as your story. You can also share your own posts. So if you go to a post just like this one, you have to click on this share icon which is next to comment. So click on that and then click add post to your story, and you can also tap on this and now it will look a little bit different however you like it. And if you want to add this as your story, you can also move it around, make it smaller or bigger, and you can also add some stickers and links or text. So once you did that, you have to click on send to and then click on share and then done. So now let's go to our profile and see our story. So this is our story. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.